Imagine this. You walk into a store, buy something for $100, and then your credit card quietly slips some of that money back into your pocket. No one told you. No secret handshake. Just extra savings for doing what? You already do. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. Most beginners never take full advantage of the benefits built into their credit cards. And that's exactly what we're uncovering today. Because if you stick with me, you're going to find out the hidden perks and step-by-step ways your credit card can actually save you real money. And I promise you, by the end, you'll look at your wallet in a whole new way. Number 1. Cashback rewards that add up. Cashback is the most popular benefit. Simply put, when you spend money, the credit card company gives a percentage of that money back. For example, let's say your card gives 2% cash back. You spend $1,000 a month on groceries, gas, and bills. That's $20 back every month, which equals to $240 a year. Some cards even give higher percentages in certain categories, like 5% on groceries or dining. Imagine spending $500 a month on groceries and earning $25 back just from that one category. That's like getting a bonus meal every single month. And here's the hook. If you don't know how to use cash back wisely, you could be leaving hundreds or even thousands of dollars behind each year without realizing it. Number 2, travel rewards that take you places. Some cards reward you with points or miles instead of cash. Use these points for free flights, hotel stays, or rental cars. Think about this. A friend of mine used a travel card for everyday purchases for 1 year. By the time summer came around, he had earned enough miles to book a round-trip flight to Hawaii for free. That's the power of stacking points. If you're someone who dreams of vacations but worries about the cost, this benefit can make travel surprisingly affordable. But here's the twist. If you don't understand how to redeem those points correctly, you could waste them on low-value rewards. That's something we'll get into later. Number 3. Purchase protection that acts like insurance. Have you ever bought something only to break it a week later and regret the money spent? Many credit cards offer purchase protection. This means if your item is damaged or stolen within a certain period, your card might refund or replace it. For example, you buy a brand new pair of wireless headphones for $200. 2 weeks later, they're stolen from your car. If your card includes purchase protection, you could be reimbursed for the full cost. This hidden perk can save you big money and peace of mind. Number 4. Extended warranties that outlast the store's promise. When stores push you to buy extra warranties, pause. Because many credit cards automatically extend manufacturer warranties by an extra year. Picture this. You buy a laptop with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Normally, if it breaks after 13 months, you'd be out of luck. But if you used a card with extended warranty protection, you'd still be covered for that second year. That could save you hundreds of dollars on repairs or replacements. Number 5. Price protection that fights inflation. Have you ever bought something and then noticed the price dropped a week later? With price protection, some cards refund you the difference. Example. You buy a TV for $600. The next week, it goes on sale for $500. Your card could refund you the $100 difference. This perk can feel like having a personal assistant who watches for discounts after you shop. Number 6. Free credit score tracking. Building good credit is essential for getting loans, better interest rates, and even renting apartments. Some cards give you free monthly updates of your credit score. It's like having a health checkup, but for your finances. You'll see when your score improves or when something suspicious appears. For beginners, this is priceless. It helps you learn how your actions, like paying on time, directly affect your credit score. Number 7. Travel insurance. That saves you thousands. When you book flights with certain cards, you may get automatic travel insurance. This can cover trip cancellations, lost luggage, or even emergency medical care. Imagine this. You book a $1,500 vacation, and suddenly you get sick and cannot go. Without insurance, you lose all that money. But if your card includes trip cancellation coverage, you could get your money back. This is like carrying an invisible safety net whenever you travel. Number 8. No foreign transaction fees that keep more in your pocket. If you've ever traveled abroad and swiped your card, You might have seen a mysterious 3% fee added to every purchase. That means buying a $100 dinner actually costs you $103. But many travel cards offer zero foreign transaction fees. That same dinner stays at $100. Over a week of travel, this could save you hundreds of dollars. Number 9. Rental car insurance that saves you at the counter. You know that awkward moment at the rental desk when they try to sell you expensive insurance? It can cost $20 or more per day. Many credit cards include rental car collision coverage if you pay with the card. That means you can confidently decline the rental company's coverage and save serious money. For example, a 7-day rental could mean saving $140. Number 10. Sign-up bonuses that pay fast. Many cards give huge bonuses if you spend a certain amount within the first few months. Let's say a card offers $200 after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. If you were going to spend that money on bills and groceries anyway, that's basically free cash. Some travel cards even offer bonuses worth free flights or hotel stays. Number 11. Access to discounts and deals. Some cards give special discounts at partner retailers, online stores, or even restaurants. Example: a credit card tied to a major online store might give you an extra 5% back every time you shop there. Over a year of shopping, that adds up. Other cards offer rotating deals. 1 month it's gas, the next it's streaming services. Keeping an eye on these can save you more than you'd expect. Number 12. Balance transfer offers that cut interest costs. If you're carrying a balance on a high-interest card, some credit cards allow you to transfer that balance and pay little to no interest for a set period. For example, if you owe $3,000 at 20% interest, you're paying $600 a year just in interest. But transferring that balance to a 0% introductory card could save you the entire $600 if you pay it off during the promo period. This is one of the smartest moves if you're trying to get out of debt. Number 13. Cell phone protection that saves you from accidents. Some cards cover your phone if it's damaged or stolen, as long as you pay your monthly phone bill with the card. Imagine dropping your $900 phone on the pavement. Instead of paying out of pocket for repairs or a new one, your card may reimburse you. That's a real lifesaver in today's world where phones are essential. Number 14. Free airport lounge access that cuts costs. Airport lounges aren't just for the rich. Some cards include free access. Instead of spending $30 on airport food and waiting at crowded gates, you can relax with free meals, Wi-Fi, and even showers. If you travel just a few times a year, this perk can save you money while making your trips much more comfortable. Number 15. Fraud protection that saves you from scams. One of the best benefits of credit cards is strong fraud protection. If someone steals your card and charges $1,000, you're not held responsible. Compare that to using a debit card, where stolen money can take weeks to be returned. Credit cards act like a shield between scammers and your bank account. Number 16. Free shipping and shopping portals. Many credit cards partner with online shopping portals that give you bonus points or free shipping when you shop through their link. For example, instead of going straight to a retailer's website, you log in through your card's shopping portal, buy the same item, and suddenly you've earned 5% back or scored free shipping. It's the same purchase you were already going to make, but now you're stacking extra value. Number 17. Concierge services that save time and money. Some premium cards come with concierge services. This means you can call or message a personal assistant for free to book restaurants, find event tickets, or even track down sold-out items. Imagine planning a vacation and your card's concierge finds you a better deal on hotels or tickets than you could have found yourself. That's money saved and hours of frustration avoided. Number 18. Roadside assistance for emergencies. Certain cards offer roadside assistance as part of their benefits. This can cover towing, jump starts, tire changes, or lockout services. Think about it. A single tow can cost $100 or more. If your card covers that, you just saved a large chunk of money when you least expected it. Number 19. Dining and entertainment credits. Some cards offer monthly or yearly credits for things like dining, streaming subscriptions, or entertainment. For example, one card may give you $10 back each month for food delivery services. That's $120 a year just for using a benefit you might otherwise overlook. Others may give statement credits for streaming platforms like Netflix or Spotify, essentially making your entertainment free. Number 20. Exclusive event access. Many cards provide early or exclusive access to concerts, sporting events, or theater tickets. These often come with special discounts or preferred seating. Imagine paying less to see your favorite band or getting first pick before tickets sell out. That kind of access not only saves money, but also gives you unforgettable experiences without the premium price tag. Number 21. Airport fee credits. Some travel-focused cards offer credits that cover TSA pre-check or global entry application fees. These programs normally cost around $85 to $100, but with the card benefit, the fee is fully reimbursed. That means you get to breeze through airport security lines faster and save money at the same time. Number 22. Free checked bags. Airline credit cards often let you check your first bag for free. If you fly with a family of 4 and each bag normally costs $30, that's $120 saved each trip. For frequent travelers, this one perk alone can save hundreds of dollars a year. Number 23. Identity theft protection. Some cards provide monitoring and alerts if your personal information is used suspiciously. This can save you money by catching fraud early before it snowballs into bigger financial problems. And in some cases, they even help cover the cost of restoring your identity if it's stolen. Number 24. Return protection that beats store policies. Ever tried returning something after the store's return window closed? Many credit cards offer return protection, letting you send back eligible purchases for a refund even when the store says no. For example, you buy a $100 jacket and realize after 2 months it doesn't fit your style. The store refuses to take it back, but your card could refund you directly. That's like extending your return window beyond what the store allows. Now here's the real secret. Credit card benefits only save you money if you use them wisely. If you rack up balances and pay high interest, those perks vanish. The trick is simple. Pay your balance in full each month. Use the perks for things you already buy. Track your rewards. Redeem them smartly. If you do this, your credit card stops being just a piece of plastic and becomes a powerful financial tool. Credit cards are like hidden treasure maps. The rewards are there, but most people never look closely enough to find them. So now the question is, which of these benefits are you most excited to try?